Housing sales are down by 47% in the Toronto real estate market in the month of July. Inflation is hitting the all-time high record. Even the average price is coming close to $1 million mark, which is down by more than 100,000 compared to the peak of February this year. What will happen in the month of September the 7th when we are expecting more interest rate hike? If you have all those questions, let's dig deeper into our monthly real estate analysis podcast. What is happening in the real estate market? As you know, the numbers are not that promising. When we saw near about 5,000 homes were sold in the month of July, which is a record low. And if you talk about the average price, we are already 1 year back. So this means the price you are anticipating in the month of July is almost as equivalent to July 2021 price. So that's quite surprising. When we saw the peak in the month of February, average price hitting more than 1.3 million. It all happened after one magic bullet from Bank of Canada when the interest rates went up 4 times. As of now, the overnight lending rate is 2.5%. The anticipation is it might go up. You can share your comments, but our prediction is as the inflation numbers are still tight, it is predicted to go higher. But let's go deeper into the numbers game. This is directly words from the TREB real estate board. I'm reading it for you. So the anticipation in the future, it might get a balanced market. Another prediction is once the interest rates that peak which is going up, it stabilizes, we'll see another jump of buyers coming into the market. So what we are getting right now is an opportunity. We are in a balanced market, so this is the time where you tap in and grab the right home for you. The most prominent areas to sell as usual is the city of Toronto, more than 1,800 homes, followed by Peel region and then York region. So the cities to focus apart from Toronto is where most of the numbers sales happened is Mississauga, and then followed by Brampton. As of now, more than 50,000 sales have happened in the GTA real estate market. The most prominent is City of Toronto, 19,000 homes, more than that. Peel region, 10,000 homes. York region, more than 8,000 homes that are sold. It was surprising to see most number of detached were sold in Brampton. So the people love living detached, living here. And the other prominent city to see is the Toronto East. Definitely the Toronto East prices are considerably low, right? It's around 1.2 million. Quite similar to Brampton price point, but these are the cities which have seen a lot of detached being sold. Let's focus about the townhomes. The average price of the townhome is around $1 million in the GTA real estate market. We have the York region is leading in the townhomes. Obviously, if you talk about the area specific, top city is Brampton, where we have 55 townhomes sold with an average price of around 900,000 for a townhome. Followed by we have Toronto Central, where the average price of a townhome is more than 1.4 million. That's the area which is close to the core downtown area itself. Then we have Richmond, which is like average of a townhome is more than 1.2 million. So you can clearly see the difference in the price range. We have in the price range of 1.4 to 900,000 for a townhome itself. So to summarize, we can see like condo apartments, the average price is around 700,000. Then we have a condo town, 800,000. If you're looking for a freehold townhome, you are obviously looking at a 900 price range. If you're looking for a detached, you are obviously more than $1 million mark, around 1.1, 1.2 based on the location and the community you are in. So another thing to look off is for January, we have an average price of 1.2 million. Then we saw a peak where prices went to 1.3. After that, it's March, April, May, June, July. Considerably we can see there's like we are going on the lower side. Why? Because we saw 4 interest rate hike. People affordability have decreased, qualification have decreased. Because of that, the buyers, they have to do the numbers again. The sellers have to bend down to meet the buyer's requirements. So we are in a balanced market, obviously. So this is the right opportunity for someone who's sitting on the sideline, because rather than paying hefty rent for someone else, this is an opportunity. If you're getting qualified, it is your home, you'll be living there. It's not a short time you're living there, it's a long term vision. If you have, this is the right time to enter that real estate market and jump and grab it. Another thing to discuss about is, as promised, what will happen on September of 7th when Bank of Canada is sitting again doing the analysis. Prediction is we are anticipating one more interest rate hike, and there's another news coming up that will be the highest peak that'll be we will be hitting and the interest rate, because otherwise nobody will be able to afford their mortgage payment and buying or selling of homes, or to curb the inflation. And the prediction is inflation's number will start deflating in the month of September, definitely go on the negative side by the month of December this year, and by next year where we might be close to the target, which is of 2% or 3% or 4% mark. I would say that's ideal, which is Bank of Canada is anticipating for the inflation number. At that time will be a sort of an opportunity, because the interest rate will also stabilize, and this is anticipating this will be the last and highest peak of overnight rate, which will be close to 3% or 3.25. so we might have a hike of 0.5 basis point or 0.75 basis point, because still when you drive by you can see the cooling off happening in the market, because even the gas prices, which is the most important component of the inflation figures, today itself I saw the price around $1.5, which was more than around $2 per liter. So this is a good news for everyone. To summarize, overall the sales are down, it's an opportunity, prices are low, affordability is low. Thank you everyone, thanks again for watching our video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button till the next monthly update on real estate.